Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can label your direct messages on Instagram. So I'm just going to select a message here, and there's going to be a label section up here. I think it only works if your account is like the professional or the store account, if you sell stuff on Instagram or whatever. So select the label, and there's going to be these options. So for instance, this person has ordered something, or maybe they've paid it and their order has been shipped. Select the labels. So only people who manage your page can view and change labels. So for instance, yeah, you're like a store, and your Instagram is managed by a lot of people, so they'll know if they've ordered, if they've paid, and if their order has been shipped and stuff like that. Press save, and it's going to add the label, and it's going to place it up here as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.